in there.
He's cooler than the car.
Not as cool as the driver.
This guy's Henry Ford III.
What? Henry Ford III.
What the heck are you doing in town?
John told me I had to come to a car show. That's not far off either.
Just a little car show.
Just a tiny show. Little gathering, a couple of friends, no big deal.
Welcome to Caffeine and Octane.
As a motivational promoter, how did you get into motorsports?
Well, I'm inspired by things that speak to excellence. And motorsports, it's really, as you know, it's physics. It's a math class. And we can make school cool by bringing motorsports into education. And Henry and I dreamed up a way to bring all this together. But we're going to start a motorsports academy that teach inner city kids that they have talents that they can use, but also a purpose that they can make money at, earn a living, and have some fun, which is the whole world of motorsports.
What do you think of what Chuck's done to this?
A sick man.
I love it. I love it. Whenever you can jam a Tour Show motor into a Festiva, good things are going to happen.
Chuck, did you get permission to do that?
No.
What kind of performance you get out of this?
Top end's about 150 miles an hour. Pull 1.14 Gs on the skid pad.
Wow.
So in 1990, there was nothing on the planet that you could buy that would run with it. There's virtually nothing on the car that's Festiva except the doors. we didn't mess with those.
You're a sick man, Chuck Beck.
He is a sick man.
I've been called worse.
Guys, why don't we walk around a little bit and see what else is here and see if we can find some other interesting things. Let's go find some cars.
I really just walk around and look. You know, it can be a hood ornament that draws me in. It can be some big fat tires that draw me in. It can be metal flake. I just walk around and something pops and there you go. Woo! Wow. Is this yours?
It is.
Man, I've been drooling over this thing all morning. Man, this is beautiful. Where'd you get it?
Barn find.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It doesn't look very barn find right now.
No, it was a $2,000 car when I bought it. It's a 1966 Nova, Detroit speed suspension, front and back. It's a T56 transmission, it's an LS motor, 409 cubic inch, 530 horsepower, custom interior.
I love the black leather interior with the stainless mesh. It's very tasteful, but not overdone. The paint is just absolutely gorgeous. It sits perfect, and obviously the motor, man, they detailed it out really nice. Header wrap looks good, functional. I mean, it's hard to go wrong.